Hey guys, my name is Mase Sarah. Welcome to my channel, guys. So, guys, today we are going to make a mini unboxing, guys. So, my box is from Avon Justin, guys. So, let's see what's in here. Where's my scissor? And I just want to vent, guys. Guys, hi, we are going through the most shell. What's this other gender? We are going through it. I don't want to lie. Man doesn't care if you are beautiful or ugly, old or young, rich or poor. They will just embarrass you. So, guys, stay embarrassed, because men can embarrass you. Seriously, men can embarrass you. So yeah, guys, to stay with a person for years, guys, years, and then at the end of the day, to just embarrass you. Wow, guys. So yeah, guys, just let's stay embarrassed, because men are something else, guys. Men are something else. I'm telling you. But anyway, what can we say? What can we say? And guys, free advice: don't ever forgive someone who cheated. Don't ever forgive someone who cheated on you, because you will cheat again and again and again, I'm telling you. And once in jail you forgave her or him, he will think that you are weak, guys, and he will take that advantage that this person forgave me once and she will forgive me again. So yeah, guys, this is from Justin, guys. It's a present in this cute They embarrass us. Not all men who are they want to be a real good because I've been hurt by a man, not by a woman. So guys, men can just be a nice woman, guys, a beautiful woman, flawlessly to make you something that when you see this person, you be like, what? This guy left me for this. Men will embarrass you guys. Honestly, I don't want to lie. But nje, guys, what can we say? What can we say? Just nje, don't forgive someone who cheated on you. If your partner cheat on you, run, guys, because wow, guys. So yeah, guys, please comment, please share, and please, guys, subscribe. See you on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.